brought to you by Rich TV Live.
Ill Kid, Rich TV Live. You know it's a full alert, baby.
It's Bugatti Beats.
Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert. Yeah. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yeah. I told y'all motherfuckers about Aurora and how it's gonna blow up. And Kira did the same and make you throw up. I was talking about Kush bottles, KSHB. I was talking about I ain't this and what they gon' be. It was BVO. We gave you all the answers. TRST. Shit, you know it's Kentress. Don't forget about Afria. We brought you into harvest. But why you still hate on the kid? Why? That shit is far-fetched. It's the 52-week lows. That's just how it goes. Rich TV is here. We about to make some dough. Yeah, right on everything in January. Shit is popping out. Rolling up some good in the backwood and we puffing clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yeah, full alert is full alert. Let me take you to the future with ACB on top and Afria right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some man. Kush bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Zena with the fever, that shit diva with the heater. You can leave that shit with Beaver. I don't fuck with non-believers. I got fire in my pocket, make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, you gon' make some cream. XLY, I got lots of that. It's about to pop in fact. I ain't gotta stop the rap to tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I buy that in my Speedo with eyes closed, eating a burrito or eating on some fucking Cheetos. Yeah, you know you buy that shit. It's a new strike on these haters and the missile get you hit. Yeah, bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert is full alert. Yo, full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yo, full alert is full alert. Rich TV Live. Ill Kid in the fucking building.
How you guys doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I wanted to talk to you guys about what's going on in the market. So, gold and silver are flying, as I predicted they would. I'm not really surprised there. Let's take a look at oil. I expect oil to go up too, based on this potential war that is starting to escalate very, very quickly. So, if you believe that this war could escalate to something bigger, something worse, you need to look into buying oil because the price of oil is going to go up, folks. Look at this, $64.50 now. Look at that. It's up 2.35% as I predicted it would be, and I've been buying oil as well. Oil is flying. Silver is up 2.23%. Silver is flying. And gold, as predicted, up 0.57%. They are also flying. Huge jump today from 1552 on Friday. When it opened up trading, it opened up at 1584. 5, I believe. It's saying here as high as 1588. So huge jump up from 1552 all the way to 1588, then a consolidation all the way down to 1567. I literally shorted this down and I've been climbing this back up, and I've been riding this thing since I started trading with the Academy all the way literally last week from 1519. Right around here. Last week. 1519 all the way up to 1580. Now it's consolidated down to 1578. Gold is on fire because it's the safe haven. Silver is on fire because it's another precious metal, another safe haven for investors. So what is going to happen tomorrow? And oil, as predicted, has climbed 2.36% at $64.51. This was all predicted if you've been watching Rich TV Live. Each and every one of these picks has been predicted in advance, and they are all going up. It's true. They're all going up. I told you guys to diversify. I'm diversifying. If you're still worried about cannabis stocks and you're not taking advantage of these moves, I really don't know what to tell you guys, man. But if you guys would like to learn to trade and have your own trading academy and build a trading business and actually invest in learning how to actually trade and get help and have leadership and have mentors and have the ability to teach others how to build a business, there's the link right there. I mean, it's not rocket science, guys. It's called diversification. I've been saying to you guys, what are you going to do? You're going to beat a dead horse? And I'm not saying the cannabis stocks won't go up. They might go up tomorrow, because I'll tell you right now, the market's going to be down tomorrow. The market will be down tomorrow. There's my prediction. You heard it here first from Rich Stradamus. The market will be down tomorrow, and this is my evidence. So on Friday, the market closed at right here, 28,628. And today, when the market opened, futures went down. So we see the US 30, which is the top 30 companies in America, are down. But it's slight. It's actually not as bad as what I anticipated. So it's not going to be down a lot. And who knows, it might even fight back to go green. But it's still down, okay? And oil is up, gold is up, and silver is up. So I'm predicting that the markets will be down. Now, typically, when the markets are down, cannabis stocks go up. So there's always a good chance the cannabis stocks are going to go up. I love cannabis stocks. I'm going to be at the LIFT conference this week, the largest cannabis conference in Canada. I'll be there. But as an investor who wants to win and wants to make money, I'm not going to miss out on runs. And right now, I'm telling you right now, gold is on an epic run. Gold is on an epic run. I'm going to show you guys this. Gold's on an epic run. Over the last 3 months, look at this. We've seen gold run from 1453 all the way to 1578. But look at the last month. It was at 1458 just a month ago. Forget the last month. Let's look at the last 5 days. In the last 5 days, it's jumped from 1514 all the way to 1577, where we stand right now. Now I'm looking at my indicators, and my indicators are telling me it's coming down here on the CCI. The OBV is pointing straight. The ROC is actually pointing down. And the CMF is pointing down. So right now, I'm not looking to buy it yet, but I'm thinking about buying it. I'm not going to lie to you. I've been buying it, guys, consistently for the last week, and I've won almost every single trade. Hey, guys, I want to say hi to you guys. Thank you guys for joining here. Thank you guys for putting in your comments. If you guys haven't hit the like button yet, please hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed to Rich TV Live, subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, because we're going to be going live like all the time, guys. Now that I have a trading academy, I'm literally trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Like, I'm going to do a trade right now. Why don't I just call the trade for you guys live right now? Why not, right? Let's do it. We got the tools right here of the gods on my phone. So let's do this. Let's do a trade right here, right now, live. And I'm going to take a trade in front of you guys live. And I'm going to call it, and I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go out. And if you guys are part of the academy, or you guys would like to join the academy and you want to trade with me, hey, I'd love to get you guys involved. Just email me richtvlive@gmail.com. Invest a little bit of money in yourself and see the results in what you can become with some actual training, with some actual support, with leadership and mentorship and tools. Wow, oil? Goodness, oil, eh? Oil. Okay, so oil actually looks like it's coming down a little bit. Let's take a look at oil. Energy markets. Let's look at oil. So see how it went all the way up here to like 64.42 and it's consolidating right now? To me, that's a buying opportunity. So I'm going to buy it right now. I'm actually going to buy it right now. Let's going to buy oil right now. US oil, let's do a new order and let's buy it. Okay, I just put an order for some US oil. So I'm in on US oil, and then I'm going to look at gold. We're going to buy some gold, and we're going to buy some silver right here, right now, live and interactive with the people, because this is what we do, man. This is what we do. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm doing here, man, but my life now, I can go anywhere in the world, take my phone, and make money. I'm done. Never will I ever have to sell anything. Never will I ever have to leave my home. Never will I ever have to leave the beach. I can now literally just make money on my phone. I can buy gold. I can buy Bitcoin. I can sell gold. I can short gold. I can short Bitcoin. I can short silver. I can long silver. I can buy Visa, MasterCard, American Express. I can short Visa, MasterCard, American Express. I can buy the S&P 500. I can short the S&P 500. I can buy the US 30. I can short the US 30. This is great. I'll be honest with you guys. This is great. I mean, this is the future, guys. Like, let's be honest. Who the hell wants to work? Nobody wants to work. Nobody wants to work. The hell is that? What is work? So let's go in on... So I'm in on oil, and let's go in on gold and silver. Let's go in on gold and silver. Where are you guys at? Where are you at, gold and silver? Oh, there you are, XAUUSD. So I'm going to look at the chart. I'm going to take a look at these charts. The metals market. Let's take a look at the metals market. And see how gold kind of went up, and it's kind of come down? I think it's going to go up again. It's going to go up again because it's got a lot of momentum. I believe it's going to go to 1600. I believe this momentum is going to take it to 1600. Like, this is a crazy amount of momentum. I believe it goes to 1600. I think this momentum is real. I think this momentum is very, very strong. I know there's a lot of people that don't necessarily agree with me, but like, look at this. I believe we see it go to 1600, and I don't think it'll take that long. I don't think it's going to take that long. I mean, we've seen it run from 1514 to 1580 in a week. What's going to stop gold from going to 1600? Nothing. So I'm looking at gold right now, and I think very, very soon, I'm watching the blue line right now, so it's probably going to cross the blue line. It's going to go down maybe a little bit, but then I think after that, we're going to see another jump. So I'm getting ready to buy gold right now, but I'm watching it go down on the 5 minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute's going right down. So I'm actually going to buy it. I'm going to put a new order in. I'm actually using 5 cents to make this trade. I'm going to buy this right now. I'm going to buy some gold right now, right here at 1577.71, 1577.73. Try to see 65. There we go. Boom. I just bought some gold, and let's try to see if we can get into silver too. Oh wow. I'm almost already up on my gold purchase. Yeah, I'm officially up on my gold purchase just like that. Oh. I'll let you know if I get out of my gold because I'm already up on my gold. That didn't take long. So literally with this trading now, I just wait until I have profits and then I just take them. So I'm literally just watching this go up and down And if it's down, I'm in the red. And if it's up and I'm in the blue, I want to take in the blue. I want to sell in the blue. Do not want to sell in the red. I want to sell in the blue. And when I have okay, so I'm now up already, but I want to make a silver trade too. So I'm going to go into silver. I'm not really too worried because I think the gold will go higher. So let's go into silver, XAGUSD. Let's go look at silver. XAGUSD. XAGUSD. Oops. XAGUSD. Silver. Here we go. I'm going to look at XAGUSD. So same thing. See how silver looks almost like gold? Pretty interesting, right? Huge bounce up right here. All the way up. This is very bullish. Came back, went up, came back. I think we're going to see it jump. I think it goes here. I think we see it go back here. So I think we're going to see it go back there. So that's where I'm going to be looking to get in. I'm going to set a stop loss around here. And I'm going to have a take profit right here. So let's go into XAGUSD. New order. Buy. All right. So I just bought some silver. So I'm in gold. I'm in oil. I'm in silver. Now we're live. Now let's just talk about it. How you guys doing? Yo, what's up, Elad? How you doing, brother? And Infinite Possibilities, how you doing? Flor de Oro says you rang. Infinite Possibilities says, have you always bought gold? No, I just started buying gold. I'm brand new trader to gold, guys. So I'm just starting to buy gold. I'm just starting to buy silver. I'm just starting to buy oil. And so far, I absolutely love it because with all the catalysts that are coming, it's been really good. And I've also started trading Forex. And to be honest with you, I'm not very good at Forex because I don't know the pairings. You know, to be honest with you, I'm not comfortable yet. I have no idea where these pairings are going to go. You know, it's not easy trading Forex because you got to determine which one's going to go higher, the British pound or the US dollar. And there's so many different indicators that will determine where this is going to go. And what I'm learning with my academy is we really just got to, it's 50-50. You're making money either up or down. So you're trying to predict whether this is going to continue to go up or down. I think there's too many variables personally for me for Forex. That's why I like gold. That's why I like silver. That's why I like oil. Because in times of volatility, you can see that oil will explode. In times of volatility, you will see, like we see here. In times of volatility, you will see that, look at this. This is the last month on oil. If we look at the year on oil, I mean, it's been down to 48. This is the last 5 years on oil. I'm going to mark this up so that we know for the future. So there's the low on oil. It's at $26, okay? Right now, it's currently at 64. We're going to mark up this chart. And then the high over the last 5 years is 76. So this is kind of like where it's been trading in this region. So 26 is the low, 76 is the high, and we're currently at 64. Some people are predicting it could go as high as 80 on this potential war. Oh, I'm up on my silver. I'm going to take my profit. Close my order right there. Bam. Close my silver. So I just won that trade. And guys, I'm only started trading with $200. So I'm not trading with like a ton of money. But you know what? On that one trade, I just made 25 cents. I've made some trades where I've won as much as $10. Some trades I win $1, $2. But I'm playing with $200 just to learn because this is a new platform for me. This is a new program for me. So I want to just get comfortable playing with small money. And then once I get comfortable with that, then I'm going to move to bigger money and I'm going to start investing more. And my goal is to get to $1,000 a day, trading gold, silver, crypto like Bitcoin, oil, Forex, and stocks. So we have the ability to trade all of that at the academy. And wow, so gold actually just had a nice dip here. I'm actually going to buy gold again. I'm going to do another trade of gold. I'm going to do another trade. I'm going to do a second trade now. Because when it dips, I want to buy more. So I'm going to do another new order and I'm going to buy some more gold right now on this dip. So I just did another order for gold. at a lower price. So now if gold explodes, I could end up winning on both of those trades. I've got 2 trades now in on gold, one at a higher price and one at a lower price, because I'm anticipating that gold is going to go higher based on the fact that I've been watching it continuously go higher. So every time it has a dip, it just goes higher, right? Even on the 1-day chart, every time it has a dip, it ends up going higher. It's been doing this consistently going lower, higher, lower, higher. But overall, it's been going higher. Obviously, it opened up huge, came back down, consolidated. The low of the day is 1567. We haven't seen that price since. So since that price, all we've seen it do is climb. To me, that's a very bullish indicator. It's an indication of power. It's not just like luck that this is climbing. This is real power. It's an indication of real power. I believe gold is going higher. Like, my indicators are telling me that gold's going to go higher. So that's why I'm buying gold, right? So yeah, so CITRON Research has come out and said that they're shorting Tesla. CITRON shorting Tesla. So Andrew Left obviously is the guy behind CITRON Research, and now they are saying that they want to short Tesla. So apparently CITRON is putting out articles talking about look at this. CITRON took, here it is on Twitter. I'm going to read you guys this tweet from CITRON Research from Andrew Left himself. CITRON took a look. CITRON took a lot of criticism for change of heart on Tesla. Short interest now at all-time lows. Capitulation has created a too fast stock. Short-term risk reward now skewed to downside. Much respect to Musk, but we are buyers 100 points lower. Wow. So clearly trying to say that in their opinion it's a short. Love to know what you guys think about this. Do you agree with them? Do you disagree with them? I believe that Tesla will go higher, but these guys are very powerful. These guys are very strong. These guys are very intense. Andrew Left is a very, very powerful man. He has a lot of money, right, to short whatever he wants. So I don't think there's a reason to panic, but it's kind of funny that I said that I said that Tesla was my number 1 pick for January, and here we are, and CITRON wants to short him. Interesting, don't you guys think? What do you guys think about that? Love to know what you guys think about that. Comment down below. But I don't think it's time to panic.
You know what it is? Rich TV Live. Ill Kid. Cloud Ninja on the beat. Don't panic. Don't panic, you rookies that don't manage. You looking at all the candles, it's a ride and we off the handles. It's the heat, cause we bringing all the kitchens out. Oven mitts for little kids, what you bitching about? Pockets when they tingling, money stay mingling. I'm just getting started, yeah, I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference, I finish all of your dinners. That mean I'm taking your place, it's no mistake that you are beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat, it's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get popping now. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way I cop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hater, this my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Market makers are heartbreakers and soft stages. Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard haters are all fakers. I mob like don't call you on another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic. I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You stay tripping on his eyes like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro. Cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace though. I don't cheat, I just move when I cruise to the G code. Put the limit in, stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and to sell high. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. Yeah, you looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some goals. Don't panic, don't panic.
Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I pay you for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels in motion. Quickly. ASAP. Quick. Hoo-yah!
Hey guys, so just gonna read some of your messages and answer your questions. So I pay 5 cents per trade. Can you trade gold and silver 24/7? No, I can't trade 24/7. I trade 5 days a week. Trade 5 days a week. But right now, let's see where we at on these trades. I just put my trades in and then I just wait to see green or blue. In this case, it's blue on this platform. And as soon as I see blue, I press the button. It's really simple. And I've been riding gold, I've been riding silver, and I've been riding oil. I am learning how to trade Forex, but I'm not familiar with the charts. Meanwhile, with gold, oil, and silver, it's kind of easy because they're all just going up. Like, let's be honest. So I'm trying to make it easy for myself. Look at this. So since that, honestly, since we've been live, it's actually had another dip. I'm going to buy more gold. It's going lower. So what I do is I like to just keep buying. And then when it explodes, I can close out all my trades with a profit. I buy the dips because I believe my indicators are telling me based on what I'm seeing that this is going to go higher. Yeah, there's going to be dips. There's going to be peaks. There's going to be valleys. But as you can see here with gold, it exploded up huge, right? Consolidated down, right? Went all the way up to 1586, consolidated down to 1566, and we are already higher. We're at 1575. It hasn't gone down past this region in a few hours. So it has been lower than this region, but it hasn't been much lower than this region literally in a few hours. So that's why I'm buying right now, because I'm buying in this zone. I'm trying to buy in a zone. I'm trying to show you guys how to buy in a zone. Like, see this line here? In the last few hours, it hasn't been lower than this line. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to buy within this zone, between here and here. So this is my zone I want to buy. So I know that every time it's at the bottom of this line, I'm going to buy it. And then when it comes over here, I'm going to sell it. I can sell it here. I can sell it anywhere here. I can also short it if I think it's going to go lower. If I think it's going to come back to these levels, I can short it, make money down. But look, as we speak, while we're live, it's climbing. Look at this. Look at this. See this? Look at it. It's climbing. This is what it does. It comes down, it has these dips, and then it explodes. This is not retail, guys. This is institutional investors. These are institutional buying right here. Trillions and trillions of dollars get spent on gold and Forex and these types of pairs. This is a gold US dollar pairing. These types of pairings have massive institutional buying and selling that's doing this. These candles, these candlesticks, this is not retail investors. This is institutional buying to the tune of trillions of dollars. So when there's a trend and they believe that it's going to go up, believe me when I tell you that the power is real. It's more power than I've ever seen on anything else. So you can see here that oil is up. Everything is up. Gold is up. Silver's up. They're all up. And I told you they would be up. So I'm not surprised that they're up right now. That's why I'm buying it. I'm buying it live. Because even if I wasn't live, guys, I'd be buying it. Right? So this is what I was doing anyways. So I thought, you know what? I might as well just go live and show you guys what I'm doing. It's not rocket science. Anybody can do this. Right? And a A lot of people are trading, but they're not investing in themselves to get the education. And I think it's a very big mistake to invest in the stock market without actually having real education and put hard-earned money into the market without having real tools to help you make money. And when you're investing in like the cannabis sector like I have, and they've been down for 8-9 months, I needed another way that I could generate income while those cannabis stocks are maturing and developing. I don't want to touch my cannabis stocks. I don't want to sell for a loss. So I'm going to hold them. If I have to hold for years, I'll hold for years. But that means that I have to find other ways to generate income. Because the reason why I invest is to generate income. If I'm not going to generate income with my cannabis stocks, then I have to find other ways to generate income. That's why now I've joined a trading academy and I'm trading gold, oil, silver, Forex, GBP, Japan, USD, Canadian. I'm doing all of these pairs. And I have 100 mentors now to help me and give me picks every single day so I don't even have to think. But I'm not that type of person. I like to know why something's going up. I want to get a feel for it. I don't want to necessarily lean on somebody else. So yes, I do listen to other people's trades, but I am taking my own trades as well. I have my own belief system. I have my own eyes. I have my own ability to look at charts and try to determine where something's going to go, right? Right now, silver is actually going down. See those red candles? These are big institutions that are doing this, guys. It's not me or you. This is institutions. Now, a lot of retail investors are putting their money into the institutions to do the buying and selling. But these are institutions that are making these markets. And they make them up and they make them down. And they make them up and they make them down. So in times of volatility, in times of uncertainty, people are going to move to gold. People are going to move to silver. And when you have a serious issue in the Middle East, where there could potentially be a war, some believe it could escalate as much as World War III, that's very concerning. It's very concerning. However, as a capitalist, we can benefit from this because this war is about oil, folks. This war is about oil. So the price of oil could most likely go higher, considering this war is most likely about oil. Let me remind you guys that 1/5 of the world's oil is in that region of the world that is right now being fought over. Let's be honest, right? So yeah, I'm going to be trading the asset that everybody is talking about. It's true. So let's also take a look at Bitcoin. That's another pairing that I can trade with my academy here. Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin's been on fire too. Look at this. Bitcoin also up. So in times of uncertainty, Bitcoin's up, oil's up, gold's up, silver's up, and Bitcoin's up big. Bitcoin was at 6,600 last week. Look at this. 6,800. 6,800 and now at 7,500. That is extremely bullish. And I've been bullish on Bitcoin. I've been telling you guys. I've been making videos about it. I've been telling you there's going to be a market melt up. I've been telling you guys about Bitcoin. Been telling you guys about 5G. Been telling you guys about cannabis stocks. I never once said you should get out of cannabis stocks. I just don't think you should only be having tunnel vision on cannabis stocks. I think it's a huge mistake. And I think if you want to be a really good, successful investor, you should diversify. You need to diversify and you need to be able to invest in the best. And when you're investing in gold, that's the best. When you're investing, there's nothing better than gold, guys. Okay? And then when you're investing in Bitcoin, that's digital gold. Nothing better than Bitcoin, folks, when it comes to cryptos. Despite what all the experts say, Bitcoin is the best when it comes to cryptos. Now, cannabis stocks, that's green gold. You know I love my cannabis stocks. I own my cannabis stocks. I will always have my heart in cannabis stocks. But 2020 is about diversification. Mr. Big says, Richie, XAU USD. That's what I'm buying. Gold. Real gold. XAU USD. Simple as that. Real gold. Just buying gold, man. Buying gold. So I'm not talking about a gold stock. I'm actually physically buying gold from my brokerage house. Mr. Big says, Rich, I'm glad you are not all wheat stocks. Edberg says, I lost 1K in Forex. Did you have any help? Did you have any training? Did you have experts giving you picks? As I'll tell you this right now, if you work with my trading academy, I'm pretty sure you'll be making money, not losing money. Mr. Big says, Andrew Left is like a bad luck guy for the stock market. I'm not impressed with him. Well, Andrew Left is very good at what he does. He's a professional shorter. He knows how to create fear. He knows how to create panic. He has massive resources. He has a huge network of people that follow him because he's very successful. And he has the ability to take stocks down with regularity. He's good at it, right? He wants to short Tesla. Well, obviously, Tesla's been up, right? Look at the one-year chart on Tesla. So Tesla's clearly high. Right? He's saying he wants to buy it 100 points lower. So he wants to buy it at 340. So sure, let Tesla dip. I say let Tesla dip to even 320 range. I'm okay with that. Right? I still believe it goes higher after that. You know, the chart looks very bullish. Here's the low of 178. From 178 to 440 to 449, like that's ridiculous growth. So yeah, maybe it needs to cool down a little bit. That's okay. We don't mind. I'll bet you even Elon Musk doesn't mind. Because that'll just create more buying opportunities for investors. But based on this channel, I think it's going higher. I mean, look at that. It's pointing right up, folks. Looks to me like this is pointing right up. So, yeah, I think, it could definitely come back down. It could definitely come back down. But maybe 259, the lowest, if it does dip down again. Probably more likely to come here. Probably more likely to dip down here. From here to here. To about 350 range. And then come back up. And then find new highs. And go back to 500. Because I think this is going to be a company, it's just going to be one of those feel-good stories. They're changing the world. They're good for the environment. They got electrical cars. And look at all the indicators. I mean, they're very bullish. The OBV is pointing right up. The CCI is pointing up. The ROC is pointing sideways. And the CMF is pointing up. I mean, this is very bullish. If we go to bar chart, let's take a look at bar chart, see what their opinion is on Tesla. I'm pretty sure it's 100% buy. How is it possible that it's 5 cents per trade? That's how much it is. Well, TD charges a lot of money, bro. There's all kinds of brokers out there that are free right now, man. Come on, man. You don't know this? There's discount brokers that are free now. Mr. Big says, I died in cannabis stocks trades. Am not selling. I wouldn't sell either. Fuad says, I'm Aramco IPO. Mr. Big says, oil. What about PAXG Gold? PAXG Gold. So look at this. Tesla's 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Who in their right mind is going to short this? I mean, you know, when CITRON comes out and says this, I mean, I'm pretty sure some people are probably going to short it, but I don't know. 123,000 followers. Look at this. The activist short seller top 5. Andrew Left. You gotta love these guys. You gotta love these shorters, eh? Wow, gold's down to 1574. It's taking a nice big dip right here. Maybe I'll buy some more again on this dip. Taking a nice big dip here. It's taking a nice big dip. Is it being shorted? Let's see here. Let's go back to gold. XAU USD. I'm not even worried because this is what it does. It goes up, it goes down, and you just wait, and then it has an explosion, and then you get out. And this is how I've been trading it over and over and over again. And it just keeps finding new highs and new highs and new highs and new highs. XADX. Okay, we're back to 1575. Back to 1575 here. 1575.65. So it was just at 1574 and it's just jumped back to 1575. Oil is at 64.35. And I got two trades, one in at 1577, another one at 1576. Right now it's at 1575. I'm going to do another trade here at 1575 range. Let's buy some more here. I feel like this is going higher. Like, look at these indicators. They're all pointing up. See that? See how all these indicators are pointing up? This is very bullish for me, guys. Now, this is the day chart. This is the day chart. So, this is the 5-minute chart. Remember, it hasn't really gone lower than this level for a few hours. So, yeah, it might go down and dip down a little bit lower. But I don't see it going lower than this, 1572. And then I see it shooting back up to see around, I think we're going to see it go back around the 1580 region. For some reason, every time it gets to 1580, it gets resistance. I think that's where we're going to see it jump back up here over the next few hours. Remember, this will be trading all night long, guys. PAXG Gold. PAXG Gold. Let's do one more gold trade here. New order. Buy. PAXG Gold. PAXG. Pax Gold Bitcoin? Pax Gold US dollar calculated by TradingView. Are you talking about Tether? Pax Gold 1863. Is this what you're talking about, PAXG? I'm not familiar with this PAXG. So tomorrow, guys, I do predict that we will have a red day. Unfortunately, we are looking for a massive market melt up. It did come down, and now it's coming back up. So it is climbing up, actually, quite strong. So, I mean, we're barely red right now. I mean, if this turns green, we could actually be green tomorrow. So we were down big, but the market is actually coming back right now. And that's probably why we're seeing gold go down. That's probably why we're seeing gold go down temporarily, because we're seeing the US 30. See that? See how gold is starting to turn down right now? The US 30 is turning up and gold is turning down. If the broader market goes up, I expect gold to be red. If gold stays green, I expect the broader market to stay red. That's kind of what I'm anticipating. You can see here the day's range. It's been as high as 1589. The low was 1552, which was the price on Friday. So since it opened up, we're at 1575. So we're up $23. Gold USD, it says here $15. So $15 on the day on this chart. But on this chart, we're up $25. And we've been as high as 1589. If and when this runs back to 1589 and above, I believe this goes to 1600, guys. I'm going to make that prediction right now. I believe gold goes to 600. You bought it from crypto.com. You bought gold through crypto? I mean, yeah, I guess there's a lot of different ways to do it. I mean, everyone has their own way they want to do things. It's going to be interesting to see what happens here because it is turning down right now. Right now, gold is actually trending down. And guys, I could short this too right now. If I felt like this was going to go down, I could short this. Could be making money shorting it. You can make money in so many different ways when it comes to trading. And right now, I'm just going to be patient and wait to see these turn up. Right now, they're just turning down, and the US 30 is turning up. And the US 30 is trying to make its way out of the red, which is pretty interesting because if they can make their way out of the red, I don't think they will, but if they can make their way out of the red, that means that we will be green tomorrow. But it did have a huge green spike, and now there is some selling coming. So all of a sudden, the red is following the green. Indicators are pointing down here, and way down here. So I think that you're going to see that they're going to go up, they're going to go down, they're going to go up, and they're going to go down. And they're going to trade within a region. And the goal as an investor is to try to figure out the region that they're trading in and to try to buy the dips, buy the bottoms, and buy these little dips and sell when you see these spikes. Or if you're looking to short something, you want to sell it first and then buy it back, right? You want to sell it first, buy it back. If you're going to short it, you're going to sell it from 28,709. It's like, okay, market's hot. Oh, there's a war. Short. Everybody shorts. All the institutions short. All the high net worth investors short. All the retail investors short. All the shorters short. Everybody shorts. Boom. All the pressure brings it down. And then everybody buys it back, right? They buy it back up and it comes back up. And then when it gets to a certain level, then they say, okay, guys, it's come up enough. Let's short it down again. And when you see it's going to be red, you're going to see that the gold will be green. See, this is red, gold is green. See how that works? It's just the way it goes, guys. And look at this. Gold now is turning green. So gold is turning green. We're starting to see green candle here. Yeah, my indicators are telling me this is going to go way higher, guys. Look, gold's climbing now. Look at this. 1575.88. So literally while we're live, I was showing you at 1576. Look at that. See that? So the US 30 is going down while gold is going up. So you could literally be shorting the US 30 right now and longing gold and be making money on both. Like right now live. Like look at this. The US 30 is going down. I told you guys it was going down. Look at this. My indicators are pointing down. My indicators are built in. Look at this. It's pointing down. Look at the indicator pointing down. This one's pointing up. This one's pointing sideways. This one's kind of up and down, up and down. This is the US 30, but the indicator's pointing down right now. And while this is down, we're watching gold go up. And literally, I'm watching this and I'm seeing these patterns and I'm literally making money on these patterns. Buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. Right now, oil's making a move too. Let's take a look at oil. Oil's actually making a move up, and pretty soon I will be out of that trade. Just waiting for that to come back up, and then I'll take my profits on that. Crude oil, here we go. Oil, 64.50. So pretty soon, we're going to see oil make a move up higher, and when they do make a move higher, I'll get out of that trade. They're up 2.35%. And let's take a look at silver. XAG USD. Silver right now up 2.15%. You can see they had a little consolidation and now they are climbing back up in the green. The CCI is pointing up. The OBV is sideways. The ROC is up and the CMF is up. So these indicators are very bullish for silver. So I'm kind of making these trades because I believe that they're going to go higher. Like, I believe that all of these assets tomorrow will go higher when the market opens. There will be excitement. The market will open. People are going to want to make money. They're going to see oil is up. They're going to see gold is up. They're going to see silver's up. They're going to see the market's down. And what do you think they're going to do? They're going to buy gold. They're going to buy silver. They're going to buy oil. That's what happens. This is the markets, guys. Understand, this is the markets. This is how it works. Peter Schiff is happy on Twitter. Don, how you doing, Don? Don says, Rich, how you doing this eve? Hope well, and everyone out there. Just thought I would do some paperwork and seeing you was on. Great, let's roll. Yeah, bro, I'm just trading gold, oil, and silver right now, and literally doing it live. So I already got out of my silver trade. I got 2 gold trades and an oil trade, and once I get out of these trades with a profit, I'll let you guys know. I'm just waiting right now to get in the profit. Sometimes I'm going to wait 30 seconds. Sometimes I'm going to wait 5 seconds. Sometimes I'm going to wait a minute. Sometimes I'm waiting a day. But typically, if you feel like there's a trend and you feel like something is moving in the right direction, typically it's going to dip and then it's going to explode. It's going to dip and then it's going to explode. So I already have my limit orders up. I already know what price I want to sell at. So I've actually got my gold selling at 1580. So if I sell my gold at 1580 on both trades, I'll make, some really good returns on those trades. And on my oil, I want to sell around 65. We're at 64.37 right now. I got in at 64.39. So I'm literally down 2 pennies. When it gets up to 65, I'd like to sell. It was at 62 on Friday. It opened up today at 64. I believe it's going to go to 65 sometime during today's trading session. That's going to open up at 6 a.m. in the morning. So I predict that oil will have a run, gold will have a run, and silver will have a run during the day. And that's why I'm making these trades. I might get out of these trades tonight. I might get out of these trades tomorrow. But I will be looking to get out of these trades with a profit. And I believe that based on the momentum that they will continue to go up. Let's see if bar chart has momentum on gold. XAU. Yeah, they do. Perfect. 88% buy. Look at this. I didn't even know that bar chart has this. So bar chart has opinions on gold and Forex. This is great. So it's an 88% buy for gold. I like that. I like those odds. Let's take a look at silver. XAG. Let's look at silver, which I just 72% buy. Strengthening short-term outlook. I like that too. Let's take a look at oil. Oil. USD. Oil. They don't got oil? This is a different one. But this is bullish. 88% buy on this oil here. Oil. Oil USD? No way. Let's go back here to silver. Silver's still showing green here. Gold, 1576. Look at this. It's shooting off the screen, guys. It's like off this. It's jumping off the screen. This is very bullish for gold. Very bullish for gold. Oh, I'm in the green on my oil. I'm gonna sell my oil right now for a profit. Close my order. Just took 50-cent profit on my oil. So now I won my silver trade, made 25 cents on that. Won my oil trade, made 50 cents on that. And now I'm in 2 gold trades. And once I get out of that, I'll let you know. So I just made 75 cents. And I literally was playing with 5 cents, guys. And I made 75 cents. So I'm literally started my trading account with $200. And my goal is to build it to 1,000. And my goal is ultimately to put, when I feel comfortable, 10, 20 grand in my trading account just to trade these assets. And then I would like to make $1,000 a day trading and do it from anywhere in the world. That's my goal, to have freedom to trade, travel, have fun, and make money, and just help you guys and teach you guys how to do what I'm doing essentially. It's a lot of fun. It's easy. I've already won 2 live trades right in front of you guys here. And I haven't even figured out how to put this platform on my computer yet. Once I put it on my computer, I'll actually be able to do them live. So that's my goal, is to be able to actually show you guys how to do the trades live. Right now I have it set up on my phone. So whenever I do any trades, I just do them on my phone. And I kind of like it that way. So I can literally travel and just trade on my phone, make money. I could be traveling, I could be on the beach, I could be at a meeting, and I could be literally traveling and trading anytime I want, anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And honestly, I love it because I feel like I'm tapped into the matrix. I'm in the matrix. I know what's going to happen in the market tomorrow before anybody else. Why? Because I'm trading. I'm trading everything, right? I know what's going on with oil. Look, oil just exploded up. I just made money on oil. I know what's going on silver. Silver just exploded up. I just made money on silver. I'm trading gold. Gold is exploding up. I'm making money on gold. Pretty soon I'll be able to get out of my gold trade here because we're almost in the green on that too. So literally just learning how to do this, and excited about educating you guys and teaching you guys about trading lots of different assets. And right now the markets are not open, but when the markets are open, I can also trade Visa, MasterCard, American Express, up or down. I could trade Apple, Tesla, up or down. So we can literally trade everything. Guys, gold is going up. Are you guys watching this? It's literally going up right while we speak. Look at this. I want you guys to see this. Look at this. This is going up, guys. This is going up. I'm about to close one of my trades for gold here pretty soon in profit. The trading fees for the platform are 5 cents a trade. And if you guys would like to join the Trading Academy, here's the link to the Trading Academy. I would love to work with you guys. I would love to trade with you guys. The fees are, you get a website for $199 and a membership. So you become a part of the community. They have 100,000 traders in 100 countries. I'm really excited about being one of the top. Oh, I'm in the green, folks. I'm in the green on my gold trade, and I just closed it out with an 80-cent profit. So I just made 80 cents on my one gold trade, 50 cents on my oil, 25 cents on my silver. So that's 75 plus 80, $1.55. And I'm in another gold trade right now. As soon as that one goes blue, I will close that trade out, and I will be 444 on those trades. Now remember, guys, I'm literally playing with pennies. We just saw gold jump up live. I just showed you guys, literally just showed you guys how easy it is to trade gold. And we just did it live. Okay? And I have it on my phone right here, guys. I have it on my phone. Oil, silver, gold, Bitcoin, everything. I can literally trade everything. Ethereum, Dash, Neo, Litecoin, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. I'm reading out all the pairings. Like, man, it's nuts. I can trade Forex, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, New Zealand USD, Canadian USD, USD CHF. I can do USD Japan, Euro CZK, Euro DKK. I don't even know what these countries are. Euro HKD. I mean, there's so many pairings. I think there's like 40 pairings. I can trade Amazon. I can trade Apple. I can trade AXP. I can trade BAC. I can trade Citibank. I can trade Cisco, eBay, Ford, Facebook, FedEx, General Electric, Goldman Sachs, Google, MasterCard, Microsoft, Netflix, TELUS, Tesla, Twitter, Visa, XOM. XOM is going to fly, baby, with the oil. Watch that. NGAS, natural gas, which is only $2.13. UK oil, US oil, Euro MXN, Euro NOK. Like, I don't even know what a lot of these things are, man. So many things to trade, and I can make money up and down. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To me, that is what this is about. Isn't that what this is about? It's about winning, right? And if you want to be a good trader, you can't just have tunnel vision and only look at one thing, because you're not going to be as good as what you think you could be. I thought I was a good trader. Now I realized that I was not a good trader. I wasn't. I was only focused on cannabis. That's not good. That did not make me a great trader. It made me learn a lot about cannabis. But when the cannabis sector got destroyed in 2019, I got destroyed with it. So I had to re-engineer my strategies and the way I think and the way I invest so that I can make sure that that never happens again. And this is part of it. Learning how to trade gold, learning how to trade silver, learning how to trade oil, learning how to trade natural gas, learning how to trade Bitcoin, learning how to trade big board stocks, and having the ability and the tools to make money up and down. And once I got on this into the matrix and I got plugged into this system, I realized they don't have one cannabis stock on this platform. So if they don't even have one cannabis stock on this platform, what that tells me is cannabis stocks are still so early. We're so early to the game. So it's good to have cannabis because we're early. We can get in cheap. But the reality is we may not have the move in the cannabis sector that we're looking for short term. So if you're looking to make short-term money, cannabis stocks may not be the best way to do that. That's just a fact. So I started to realize that. I started to re-engineer the way I was thinking. And I thought to myself, like, Rich, if you do what you've always done, you're going to get what you've always got. If you want to get something different, you're going to have to change what you do. So 2020 was about diversification for me. It's about learning the entire market. It's about mastering every single financial asset that exists. So if the markets go down, I can make money down. If gold is hot, I can make money buying gold. If silver is hot, I can make money buying silver. If oil is hot, I can make money buying oil. And I don't even have to go that far. All I got to do is turn on my phone. I like that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really, really like that. What's the platform? I'll share you my link right here. I have an academy, and I'd love for you guys to join and be a part of the academy. It's $199 to be a part of the academy. You get a website, you get a business, a trading academy business that you can grow and you can build. And you pay $164 a month. This is all US because it's a US company. They're in 100 countries. They have 100,000 students and only 700 in Canada. They are only in Canada for 1 year. And my goal is to be one of the top mentors in the company and have 100,000 students that are part of this academy watching Rich TV Live. So I have some big goals. I have a lot to do. It's not going to be easy. I want to grow within the company. I've only been in the company now for a month and I already have 10 members. And I believe I've got close. Actually, I believe I have 14 members now. So I have 14 members and I've been in this academy for 1 month. We already have 14 members on the team. And look, guys, as we speak, gold is rising. Gold is literally rising while we speak. And I've already closed 3 trades for you guys while I was live. I'm about to close my 4th trade and go 4 for 4 while we're live. So literally, while people are sleeping, I can make money. And I like that. I like making money when people are sleeping, man. I do. Jose Rodriguez says, is the cannabis sector going to be down tomorrow? What does everybody think? I think if the broader markets are red, we could see cannabis stocks go green. Right now, it looks like the broader markets are going to be red because gold is up, oil is up, silver is up, Bitcoin's up, and the US 30 is down. So in my opinion, the markets will be red tomorrow. The US 30 is down. See? 0.27%. And my indicators are pointing down here. So this is not very bullish. This is kind of bearish for the markets for tomorrow. So I'm anticipating the markets will be red tomorrow. Mind you, they've been down and come back. So the technical analysis is actually saying it's a buy. Now, if we look at gold, go back to gold. There's no analyst opinion here on gold. But my indicators are pointing right up on gold here. Like right up to past 18. Wow. My indicators are pointing up past 1800, guys. Whoa. That's very bullish. Oh my goodness. What's up, compound interest? Yeah, I mean, invest in best companies, and if you invest in the best companies, you always have a chance to win long term. It's been very difficult to figure out how cannabis is going to trade, because cannabis has just been so back and forth, wishy-washy, up and down. Cannabis has just been a disappointment. Let's be honest. And it's definitely not the best way to make money right now. And it definitely wasn't the best way to make money in 2019 unless you were shorting them. Watch Platinum 1000 up. Good trade. What do you mean Platinum 1000? At Platinum 1000. Well, I'll tell you right now, the markets are going to be red, right? So we know the market's going to be red. Gold's up, and it's got a lot of power. Look at the indicators. The US 30's down. These are the top 30 companies. These are futures, guys. Top 30 companies in America right now are down. They're red. So we're going to be red tomorrow, guys. Look, indicators pointing right down. That's not good, man. Markets are going to go red tomorrow. So could cannabis stocks go up? Yeah, absolutely. But once again, you got to invest in the good companies. They're not just going to go up. They're going to go up if they're good companies, if they're making revenue, if they're profitable. And the reality is in the cannabis sector, almost nobody's profitable. And that's a big problem. That's one of the biggest problems in the cannabis sector. And that's why the cannabis sector in 2019 was a nightmare. And in 2020, hopefully it'll be a dream. And usually when the markets are, look at gold run now, guys. Usually when the markets, look at gold, it's running. When the markets are red, cannabis stocks will be green. So it does look optimistic for cannabis stocks tomorrow, in my opinion. I think we will see green. Okay, so you're talking about some stocks. GLDFLF might be very interesting for gold, and AG for silver. Compound interest says mean after 1,000 could really run, man. Sorry, after what goes to 1,000? I'm not sure. Oh, you're talking about platinum? Yeah, what is platinum? What's the pairing for platinum? I don't even know. Let's see. Is platinum here? Platinum. XPD USD. Oh yeah, 991. I didn't even know I had platinum. I could trade platinum too. XPD USD. Let me see if I have that. XPD USD. Cool. XPD USD. I can trade platinum, bro. Yo, you got my eye on a new tool, bro. Look at this. I like it. Look at the green there. Indicators pointing up. Yeah, I can see platinum going to 1,000. Absolutely. Could see platinum going to 1,000. Nice call on that one. Very nice call on that one. Look at oil though, guys? Oil is no joke. And look at this. Look. Man, I sold silver too soon, guys. Silver, I sold it at 1844. It's almost at 1846. Oh my goodness. I sold it too soon. It's going even higher now. Oh, it hurts. No, I can trade platinum on my platform. All right, guys, so we are 3 for 3 on our trades. I'm probably going to get out of my 4th trade here pretty soon, but we've been live for over an hour, so I'm going to let you guys go. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit about what I'm doing at night. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. I'm going to be getting members that are part of the academy coming live with me, and we're going to talk more about our trading academy. We're going to talk about trading pairs. We're going to talk about gold. We're going to talk about silver. We're going to talk about oil. We're going to talk about crypto. And this is going to be something that we're going to start doing more and more because I'm on the West Coast. It's only 9 o'clock for me, to be honest with you. I don't mind going live, and I'm trading right now anyways. So once in a while, I'm just going to go live, and we'll do these later streams, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So if you guys like it and you're with it, cool. If not, that's cool too. I totally understand. I really like it. I'm really enjoying it. And as an investor, I just feel like I am better equipped and better prepared now as an investor, as as I have ever been, because there's been so many times in my life where gold is running, or oil is running, or silver's running, or a stock is running, or a stock is tanking, and I wasn't able to take advantage of it because I didn't have the tools. Now I have the tools right on my phone. I just go on my phone, press a button, and I'm in. Love it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich for Rich TV Live. We've been doing this since 2017. I'm expecting a red day tomorrow in the broader markets. Hopefully green gold is up. Gold is up. Hopefully green gold is up too. Digital gold is up. Silver's up. Oil is up. Your boy's up. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace.